All right, everybody, welcome to day 63, I think? Day 63 on the path of $30,000 a month. We are gonna start off, so I have some packages I have to send off to USPS. I have a whole bunch of these toys that I gotta give to the Goodwill. It is a tax write-off, and also I gotta do a little bit of customer work, but I have to go back to my apartment right now and pay rent. So I'm gonna go do that. If you're noticing why this roof is gone, it's because it was sagging and I just said, screw it, let's just take it off. My whole car is gutted. Because people were asking like, what, they wanted to see my GTI. It's completely gutted. All I have is the two front seats and I will start it. Some of you are car guys, so I'm gonna go and start it here. Let's hear it. So, here it is. Like I said, it's completely gutted. I just put a short shifter in. Yeah, let's go check it out. Anyways, we're gonna go do that stuff. We just got, some errands to run. I'm trying to do a different style video today just because sometimes I don't have a lot to do and sometimes I don't want to do a lot just because I do a lot. I hope you guys enjoy this style of the video, more of like just a vlog of today rather than just work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these packages out and get those toys out, and then we will get to customer orders. My car is so bumpy. I have coilovers on this car, so it's super stiff, but I'm pulling into the Goodwill to drop off.
The sticker on the side, yeah.
Thank you, brother. Yeah, toys. Yes. Good to go. Another one down. Another little save to my tax season. Oh God. I'm gonna try to do a poll for you guys, but I think my phone's gonna fall on its face. That was 20 miles an hour. So I just dropped off my rent check and now I am going to USPS and dropping off some packages. But just found out that my rent got increased by 9%. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it's California, so makes sense. Anyways, let's go. All right, so now we're back home getting some customer orders out. I actually had an OfferUp order, so that's what I'm doing right here. It's for a Cummins diesel truck. So I was trying to find the design for that. That was a big pain, trying to find a better quality design, because sometimes I don't have the best, highest resolution designs, and I have to figure it out. So here I am de-weeding it. It was a white one. He's really stoked on it, so hopefully he loves it. And then a couple customer orders, just like 10 of them, and that was it. All right, guys, so I finally came around to it. So the past couple hours I've been working on trying to get my cold email app set up, and I told you for the past like 30 days that I was gonna get into this. And so finally, I sat down and it took about 2 hours, but now we're here. So I'm using an app called Instantly AI. And if it's good, I'll make a video on it. And then I will probably do I'll probably do a video on it to show you guys how it works. And I also, in doing so, I had to get a Google business account. So I'm paying $37 a month for the Instantly.ai and then $22 a month for the Google. I hope it works. I hope I can set up a really good email campaign soon, and so I can start getting my money back for that. Because unfortunately, this is a little off topic here, but as I was saying, Amazon is holding on to over $13,000 right now in my account, and I can't do anything about it. So I looked on all the forums, and it can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 90 days, and I need that money. I need that money in my account so then I can pay rent and pay for these softwares. And so I'm kind of in this weird pickle where it's like, I don't want to buy more things right now because I am unable to. This is the cost of business. this is something that I'm gonna have to figure out in the next couple of days. Maybe I'll have to pull out a loan, a low APR loan. I have no idea. I don't know what I can do right now, but I do know one thing is that I can't stop. And so cold emailing is gonna be my cheapest route of advertising right now. I'm still doing Facebook and Google right now, but it just hasn't been very good. So I'm hoping that I can start focusing more on that, which I am today, and I will tomorrow for day 63. So we'll see, but this is the update. Anyways, I got all the custom orders out that I need to get out today. On Monday, I'll be doing a large decal, so just be on alert for that. But now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so on eBay, we made $5.36, which is horrible. We made $491 on Amazon yesterday, which was not great, but not bad, at a total of $497. But I just remembered that we did not put in the $12 that I made off of the OfferUp sale. So I'll have to add that tomorrow for tomorrow's revenue, or just add it in now, just updated later. But yeah, so we're at $497 start of the month, June 1st. If you guys like this style of vlog as well, like a little bit more lifestyle with the business, let me know. I will have to do these videos when I start traveling. It'll be more lifestyle with the mix of business, of course, because I still have to do business, but I'm doing my day in life. I mean, this is like legitimately what I do. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already and you do like these videos, please subscribe down below. I make a video like this every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. Also, if you can give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, that'd be amazing. And it would really help me out. So just trying to get more people that are into entrepreneurship or want to become an entrepreneur. Hopefully they can see this video. So I will see you all tomorrow for day 63. Have a great rest of your Saturday, and I'll see you all Sunday.